Hi guys, welcome back to the third day of Chikmagalur, and this is the stay we were staying actually. So it's pretty good, and I would recommend you guys to stay here. Today we are actually leaving to Bangalore, and we have few places to visit on the way. I guess it's called the Manjarabad Fort. It's a small deviation from the normal route. The Manjarabad Fort is in Sakleshpur, so we'll be heading towards Sakleshpur and then from there to Bangalore. So I'll catch you guys on the bike. So now we are leaving from this room. It was seriously a beautiful cottage. I will just give the contact number in the description, and it's with the private parking, so it's seriously very good for your bikes or cars. The people also are very good, so I would recommend you to come over here, and I'll just add the details in the description. Yeah. Okay, bye. So the plan now is that I'm actually headed towards the Chikmagalur main town, because I have to get few coffee powders. Last time which I got from there, it was seriously damn good and my mom loved it, so I'm actually going to get it again, and from there we'll directly go to this fort. It's built by Tipu Sultan, and yeah, let's see how it goes. And it's like pretty hot, so it's sunny. The time is around 10:54 a.m. and to this main town it's showing around 12 kilometers from here. I'll just go there, get the coffee powder, and then from there we'll leave to the fort. From here to fort it's like I believe it's 1.5 hours, and from the fort to Bangalore it is 3.5 hours. So let's see how it goes, guys. This is the place where we had gone to all the Mulangiri Peak and all the stuff. There are like 3-4 places to visit there inside. It's very good, damn good. So I would suggest you to check it out. And yesterday I went to this Hebe Falls. I guess you'll be seeing the vlog. It was seriously damn good. I would recommend everyone to go over there. The jeep safari, the trekking, and then the falls, it's seriously damn good, and the water was so chilled up. We seriously enjoyed a lot. And we became so happy. And finally I'm leaving today, and I'm feeling a bit sad that my trip is gonna get over. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button, and please keep supporting as always. I'm planning for other trips too. Maybe the coming month I'll visit Dhanushkodi. I'm planning to, but let's see how the stuff works. We cannot decide anything, right? So however it is, I will take the next vlog also soon. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, me riding back to Bangalore. I'll keep giving you updates now and then. So now we have come to the main town of Chikmagalur. This is actually called as MG Road. Over here there is a famous coffee spot. I'm not sure if I'll get the parking over there because it's like a very busy town. This is the place I was speaking about. They make good coffees actually. So now we are leaving. Hi. So now we are headed towards Manjarabad Fort. I guess it's gonna be good, but it's too sunny right now. So here is Funny, and here is Emmanuel. So Funny is also from Bangalore. I mean, he's officially from Hyderabad, Telangana, but he's working in Bangalore, so he stays in Bangalore. So yeah, he's actually traveling back with us to Bangalore. It's good. And yes, that's it, guys. I'll update you now and then. We are on the way to the Manjarabad Fort. Keep rocking as always. I have to fuel up the bike. It has 3 blocks. So I'm searching for an Indian oil bunk. Yeah, it is over there. I got it. So now we have come to the fuel stop. I'm full tank. 95 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 95 ಸರಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಸಾಕು. ಹಾಂ ಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಔಚ್ ಸಾರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. The water is fully dried up actually. It's nothing, it's like dried up, and this side also it's full of farmland. I don't know, in Bangalore there is a water problem going on, and here too I feel there's no rainfall much, and so it's dried up too much. Okay, there is some accident. What happened? Hey guys, here is an update. So we are still on the road to Manjarabad Fort, and road is under construction, so it's a bit of like rough patchy surfaces and also a lot of dust. The time is currently 1:23. We just gave like 2 stops in between to hydrate ourselves because it's too sunny and we are sweating like a pig. Hey guys, now we are on the way to the Manjarabad Fort. I just parked the tequila over there down, and I have to climb up. And these 2 guys are ahead of me.
Hey!
Hey, Pama.
Hello!
I guess we have come to the entrance of the fort.
I don't think entrance.
I guess so.
I don't think this vlogger will go back again.
It's very sunny guys, and we are sweating like almost like a pig. Especially Emmanuel. Oh, it's like Goa sport. Have you been there?
Yeah, which sport you?
In Goa there's some fort, right?
Ah, yeah.
It's similar to this.
I think this will be somewhat better. The Goa.
What is this over here?
Everyone will show the aerial view, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is actually star or what?
Inside.
Oh, what's
There's some underground chamber over here, but it's locked, unfortunately.
Hey, this is half.
Yeah, just
I'm not sure what is this. Maybe many will go inside and show us. Maybe come back. Good look dark.
Hey, that's all, man. Nothing is there, man. 2 side walls.
See top? Someone will be seeing you down.
car do you use, Sajesh?
One something, 125, 128.
128 GB.
That's it, guys. There's nothing else to see. It's just the same view all around. Hey guys, we are done with the fort, and now we are heading back to Bangalore from here. Currently it's showing 4 hours 39 minutes, and yeah, the time is currently 2:43, and I guess we'll be having lunch in the middle. We just had a few cool drinks over here. We couldn't stay over there for a very long time because it was so hot, and I seriously won't recommend this place to anyone. It's seriously damn hot, and there is nothing much to see over there. Those who have gone to this fort in Goa, so it's same like that, but here there is no view there's no proper view. The aerial shots in the Google was so good, but it was not as expected, obviously. So now we are heading back towards Bangalore. I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, here is an update. So the time is currently 4:45 p.m. It's still like 2.5 hours to Bangalore, and it's 118 kilometers. I guess we'll reach Bangalore maybe at 8:30 p.m. I'm not sure. So let's see. Hey guys, I'm somewhere close to Kunigal, I believe. The time is 6:25 p.m. and still 2 hours is left to reach home as per Google Maps. So yeah, I'm kind of bit of sleepy, so that's why I just stopped aside, because it was very sunny, as I said, at noon while climbing the Manjarabad Fort. Yeah, maybe because of it. Why are you going like this? Yeah. Why did you cut me like that? Why did you cut me like that? Ali, I have it recorded. Yeah, ಇಲ್ಲ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬಂತು ಸರ್, ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬಂತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು yeah, close call. That's why I was scared. Take care. Hey guys, so finally I have entered my area, and the time is currently 8:40 p.m. and you know, as always, the last 100 kilometers to your home, it will be like hectic. It was the same. We stopped at 2 places in 100 kilometers, and cause of the humidity too, we are like very thirsty. Now also I'm like very thirsty, how much of water I drink. So finally I'm reaching home now. I hope you liked the vlog, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please subscribe, share and support as always. And that's it guys, I'll catch you up with a new vlog, a new trip as soon as possible. This is Sachin signing off as of now. And at last I just want to say, हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते.